Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This was a commissioned project that we worked on early last year. Our customer was looking for 3 custom river cheese boards filled with shells and flowers. We also added some crushed glass to the board with the flowers inside. These 3 boards were made from our acacia wood and had a channel routed out and filled with resin. For all 3 of these boards we used our U RESIN Cast system, which is a 2-to-1 casting resin, which you also saw us mixing briefly at the start of the video. While editing this video, we decided to leave the pouring process in real time. This way you are seeing exactly how slow we pour each channel, which helps avoid create bubbles. All we did was edit out any long gaps between each board as we moved around and adjusted our setup. You'll notice that partway through the video, it appears we didn't have enough resin. What we had done was mix up a larger batch of resin and split it between 2 measuring jugs. This was to keep the exotherm low and give us a longer working time, as it was quite warm in the studio, being that we poured in the summer. To keep the boards as clean as possible, we used masking tape along the sides and the edges. After the resin had cured, we can easily peel this off, and it saved having to sand or do anything else to the resin. We didn't completely fill the flower cheese board, as we were going to top this one up with another layer so we could add more flowers. When working with flowers, they can often rise to the surface, so sometimes it's easier to pour in smaller layers. Again, because the flowers are light, most of them had moved when we started pouring the resin, so with a small pair of tweezers we readjusted the flowers to create a better design. When creating cheese boards that have something inside it, we tend to not use a lot of heat. In this case, we didn't use any heat, and naturally let the bubbles pop on their own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, or subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.